As a result of a large class action lawsuit last year, the National Association of Realtors entered into a legal settlement which requires multiple listing services to make two significant changes. These changes will become effective on Paragon MLS beginning Monday, August 12th. This video will help you understand the new, required business practices that will impact how you work with all home sellers and buyers. The first MLS change covers commissions and compensation. Compensation refers to the payment received by real estate professionals for their services. This is typically a commission based on a percentage of the property's selling price. The purpose of a commission is payment for services rendered. The beneficiary of a commission is a real estate agent or broker. A commission may be paid to an agent or broker by either a seller or buyer depending on who an agent or broker is representing in negotiations between the buyer or seller and their agent or broker. Here's what you will see in Paragon beginning August 12th. First, the compensation fields will be removed. This includes historical data as well. The C.A.R. legal settlement prohibits MLS users from communicating any commission or offer of compensation anywhere in the Paragon MLS platform. Please don't try to find creative ways to communicate compensation on the MLS. Adding things like sell the house for 3 hearts, %, co-op or $, $, to buyer agents is prohibited. Fines for violating this new rule are significant. No courtesy notice will be provided, and there will be an automatic fine of $250 for the first offense. Fines increase significantly with each occurrence.
Now, let's talk about the second change you'll see in the MLS, the concessions field. Concessions are incentives offered by sellers to buyers. These can take various forms, such as covering closing costs, offering repair credits, or including appliances that are already in the home. Here's what will be new in Paragon starting August 12th. When you are entering a new listing or modifying an existing listing, you will see a new field called Concessions. Consider this field will have a yes or no option. This will not be a required field. The current post-sale concessions field will change from a free-form field to a yes-no option. The field name will change from Concessions to Concessions at close of escrow. This will remain a required field. We understand these changes can be confusing. If you have questions, please contact your office manager or broker. We also have resources for you. If you are an agent, the C.A.R. legal hotline is 213-739-8282. If you are a broker, the C.A.R. legal hotline is 213-739-8350. A-East has lots of information at these two websites: aeast.org/rules for working with clients, aeast.org/compensation and concession field changes within the MLS. Thanks for watching.